Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study math before one day of exam. First, identify your weakest areas by quickly scanning your notes or past assignments. Don't try to relearn everything. Instead, concentrate on the core concepts that frequently appear. Make sure you have a solid grasp of the fundamental formulas. This targeted approach will maximize your limited study time and build confidence for the exam. Now, let's talk about effective techniques. Instead of just reading, actively work through a few example problems for each major concept. This hands-on practice reinforces your understanding much more effectively. Focus on problems from your notes or past assignments, as these are likely to reflect the exam's content. Remember, quality over quantity is key when time is short. On exam day, a good night's sleep is crucial for clear thinking. Before the test, quickly review a concise summary of your most important formulas and concepts. Avoid cramming new information. When you receive the exam, take a moment to read all instructions thoroughly. This helps prevent careless errors and ensures you understand what is expected for each question. Finally, maintain a positive mindset and manage your time effectively during the exam. Don't get stuck on one difficult problem. Move on and come back to it if time allows. Even a partial answer can earn you points, so attempt every question. And hey, while you're optimizing your study space, why not optimize your home? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your environment pristine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.